Hello YouTube, and welcome to my first unboxing video. I'm opening the Talisong Z, so here we go. I did already open it a little bit, just so because I'm literally holding my phone and doing this, and yeah, just try to simplify the process. So here we go. So in the package, here's the box. And let's see if there's anything else in there. It looks like there is. It comes with this cool sticker, it looks like. Yeah. So that's pretty sweet. All right. So we shall open this now. Very nice. Comes with the belly boot. And at the end is the, let's see if I get a good, there we go. It's got the little flytanium fly thing. That's pretty great. Already, I'm liking the feel of the handles. Very textured. It's a little weird doing this on camera, so I apologize, but let's get this boot off of here and take a look. So yeah, pretty smooth. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got the chamfering on the handles there on the inside, as well as the outside. Very rounded edges all around, which is great. I'm not the greatest flipper in the world, and it's a little weird trying to flip while holding a camera. But yeah, thanks for watching if you did. If not, don't really care. Have a great day.